Alright guys, we're at the Dollar. I never seen this Honda Super Club. This is different out-of-town Dollarama. There's a lot of 2023 cars like this Cadillac, which is really sick. Green Jeep, green GMC, and this pretty cool blue Jeep right here. But the one thing that really surprised me, look at that, bro. If you know, you know.
Holy shit!
Literally,
Yeah, I can
like,
see it.
like
Wow,
this-
that's a treasure hunt.
Like, look how ran for the pegs are.
Wow.
And a T-Hunt, bro.
Go pick it up.
Let
Let's
me
see if
see
you can pick it up. Let me.
So, oh my goodness, bro.
You got it.
Yes, bro.
Look at that.
T-Hunt, like, how? Look how ran for the pick. They literally have cars from 2023. And look at this.
Another treasure hunt? Or
No, I've never ever seen these at a Dollarama. What a wild place, bro. No, but still. Look at that. This is such a sick Ford, though. I already have this in my collection, but that is awesome, bro. They got the Ford Lightning. Look what else they got here. They got another Caddy. Just put all these here. Ford Lightning. They got the GMC. The G2. These are like pretty old. And the El Camino. This one's really old. Would have been very cool if they had the blue one. Yeah, the Caddy too. These are some like pretty old cars, but like I'm still like shocked. We found like their original, like this is like pretty old. Yeah.
I'm surprised. Oh man, nice man. Congrats.
Oh, is that T1 too? No, it's just a moto. But I've never seen this motorcycle before at all. But anyways, see you next time. See ya. Oh, look at that. We got the Volkswagen, we got the Baja Bug T-Hunt. I never thought I would ever find this. The thing I'm still shocked about is that, oh, like, you know, the blue Ford Lightning Custom and the Jeep there. I was pretty surprised about those because I've never seen those on my local Dollarama. It was so crazy. It is a little bent. There's a kind of, it makes sense. Maybe if someone didn't think that this was a treasure hunt. Because, you know, this is like a very kind of unknown Dollarama. I don't really see that many people go here. Yeah, see you next time.